Hi everyone, welcome back to Kim's Creations. I wanted to show you the tree that I did in my previous video and show you what happened as it was drying. Look at this fractaling that occurred. Kind of got crazy. So I did make a second tree. I'm going to see if I can't cover this up just with paint. Also, while the paint was still wet, I put some of this iridescent fine by Golden on the bottom to make snow, and that turned out really well. But I also put drops of it to make it look like it was snowing, and it kind of sank in. So on my second one, I let the canvas dry, and then I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do the embellishments after. Although you did see I did put the snow down on the base, but the actual snowflakes I'm gonna do later. So I just thought I'd bring that to your attention as to what happened here. I have no idea why that occurred. It's a big mystery, but stay tuned for the other tree. I thought I would show you tree number 2 that I did. And it turned out with a lot less of the fractaling or dendrites, but there were still a few. But the tree, see, you can still see a few of them there. But with this one, I definitely put the snow base down while the base paint was still wet. And then I let it dry, the whole thing dry. So my tree is dry, the snow down here is dry, and then I added the same color that I used for the snow drifts, if you will, to put the snowflakes on, and they're all wet. And then of course I added little dots of different colors to the tree itself to be little Christmas decorations. So there you have it. What do you think? I am hoping that this is going to dry beautifully and I will have my winter Christmas tree. I am back to do another kind of Christmas tree set for you guys, and I thought this time I would use a black canvas background. I should say black. It's not a black canvas, it is a white canvas that I have covered with black paint. And I'm going to put Christmas tree on this one. And this was inspired by an artist whose name I unfortunately can't remember, but I will link the video that she did below. Drizzle here. Okay. Once I get this down, I'll have a better idea as to where exactly my little triangle is. And that's about the top. Ooh, okay. All right. So the other artist took scissors and a paper napkin and created like little swiping tools. So I am just going to cut this napkin into a couple of pieces to show you what it looked like. And basically just cutting triangles and hopefully they don't fall into my painting as I'm doing this. Creating this kind of a swipe tool. So I'm just gonna try and quickly do 2 of these. All right, let's do this. Just swiping, swiping. All I'm doing is just dragging the colors out and over each other somewhat, creating little branches. I'm going to get a new one. I'm going to use, I'm pretty close to the top here. Okay, I am pretty happy with my trees and my background. And I think I'm just gonna leave it like this and let it dry. All right, I'll be back and I will show you the dried results. So here are the dried results. It dried beautifully, no fractaling or dendrites. And once it was dry, I did add those little red dots, which are my Christmas tree ornaments. So thank you so much for joining me. Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night.